In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view audit logs in Hubstaff. Knowing how to access these logs is crucial for anyone looking to keep a close eye on project activities and ensure everything is running smoothly. Audit logs provide detailed records of changes and activities within your Hubstaff account, which can be incredibly useful for project management and maintaining transparency. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, we begin on the Hubstaff dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate your way to the Reports section. This can usually be found in the main menu on your dashboard. Clicking on Reports is like opening a gateway to a wealth of information. Reports can provide insights into team activities, productivity levels, and in our focus today, audit logs. After you've clicked on Reports, you'll be presented with several options. What you want to do next is look for the selection labeled Audit Logs. This option might be accompanied by other reports like time and activity, budget reports, or members reports, but keep your focus on audit logs. By clicking on this, you'll be accessing a comprehensive list of activities giving a chronological breakdown of who did what and when within your organization's Hubstaff account. Once you open the audit logs, you'll see a list of activities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Each entry typically includes details such as the type of activity performed, any changes made, the individual who performed the action, and the precise time and date when it occurred. This structured format ensures that you can quickly and easily locate the information you need. Understanding how to filter these logs effectively is key to getting the most out of them. If you're looking for specific actions or activities related to a particular user, project, or time period, make use of the filtering options often provided at the top of the logs page. These search and filter capabilities help in narrowing down the entries, which can be especially helpful when dealing with a large volume of data. And there you have it, a simple pathway to accessing and using audit logs in Hubstaff. Keeping track of your audit logs regularly will not only enhance transparency within your team, but also help in identifying areas that may require attention or improvement. If you ever encounter issues or need further clarification on any part of the process, the Hubstaff support team is a great resource. They can offer guidance and answer any questions you might have. Thank you for following this tutorial. By the end of this video, you should feel comfortable navigating to and reading audit logs in Hubstaff. Don't forget to make reviewing these logs a regular habit in your project management routine. It's a key step in maintaining oversight and understanding the inner workings of your projects. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.